Okay, now this problem says hospital noise levels. Noise levels at various area urban hospitals were measured in decibels. The mean of the noise levels in 54 randomly selected corridors was 63.1 decibels, and the standard deviation of the population was 5.1. The lower limit of the 95% confidence interval of the true mean. So we're finding the confidence interval of the mean. Now our spreadsheet, there's only one of these we're going to use, but it's got three in there, and I wasn't going to clean it up for this. This is one I've used for 4 or 5 years now. We got this one, which is confidence interval about a population mean, sigma is known. This one, confidence interval about a population mean, sigma is unknown. And this one, confidence interval about a population proportion. Now the yellow is what you input in. Now this one, if I go back and read it, said confidence interval of the mean, and specifically it says standard deviation of the population was 5.1. And again, that's all the problem types that are in this week is where sigma is known. So you're going to be using this first box for all the problems. Now we need to identify these four items here. It's our sample mean. It says the mean of the noise levels in 54 randomly selected corridors was 63.1. So I come here and I put in 63.1. Population standard deviation. It says in the standard deviation of the population was 5.1. So I put in 5.1 for the population standard deviation. Now in, it says mean of the noise levels in 54 randomly selected corridors. So n is 54. And the percentage is this right here. Lower limit of the 95% confidence interval. So we want a 95% confidence interval. So come here, and mine's already got 95 there, but you just type in 95 and press enter. Now our answer is right down here. The 61.74 is our lower limit, and 64.46 is our upper limit. This one says the lower limit. Some problems may ask you for the upper limit. Since this one's asking for the lower limit, then our answer is going to be 61.74, or if it's rounding to one decimal place, it'd be 61.7. But that's how you'd use use a spreadsheet for the confidence intervals. And again, you focus on this piece right here. Now, it might seem like, well, boy, that's too easy. Shouldn't we be doing it by hand and so forth? Well, you'll find that if you were to use a TA3, TA4 calculator to do the same thing, you go into Z interval and you plug in these same four items and you click calculate and it gives you the answer. That's the way technology is. Technology is such that you just need to be able to accurately identify the appropriate parameters, plug them in, and then it gives you the result.